Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I have to tell you about these super cute Blippi potty training underwear. So my little one loves Blippi. We're big Blippi fans in our house. Of course, we had to get the potty training Blippi undies. So these are really cute. They're designed in a way to help you with potty training. So they are padded. They're not super thin. I'm not sure if you can see the padding there. So basically while you're potty training them, they wear these. They're not as thin as regular underwear, so they still feel the sensation of them going, but you're not as concerned about a mess getting all over your house. It contains their pee or their poop, so it's very helpful for both you and your toddler in learning how to potty train. My son has gone to the bathroom in these, and he definitely feels the sensation. He looks down, he's like, oh no. So they work really well. So definitely recommend these, and that's my point of view.